I need to cut cords. I need to cut a lot of cords. More than a lot. 2 jobs done. It's starting to look healthy. They're jammed in there. Why did I grab this? I got no idea. We might clean it up. Doesn't look much better. And it's rusty. But. Yeah, it reminds me of my mum. And desktop done. Big heatsink, copper, power, block, motherboard, nothing special, Pentium 4 chip, 3 RAM sticks, one was a 1GB and the other ones were 512, and the rest is shred. Getting there slowly. Let's check to see whether this works. Digital Audio Video Control Center. Already plugged in. Have a look. Multi-in. It's clicking, doing stuff. I don't know what's going on. I'll have to read the instructions. There you go. 92.25 FM. So it's got an FM radio in it. And there's lights up there working. There's the volume. Also got the remote. What's the chances of that working? Turn it off. Oh, it does work. Right. We've got the operate instructions. So, yeah, we'll check this out and I'll check it out on eBay as well. Interesting. Well, it all turns on whenever you think, but I've got no way of checking exactly how it works. So, I'm going to put it up on eBay as is. The part's not working, but I will state that it is turning on, receiving power. I've just got no way of checking it. I don't know how much I'll put it up for, I'll have to check. Probably about, I don't know. A good one, working, has been sold for 150. So, I don't know, $30 plus shipping, something like that. Don't really care, it's free. I found it in the trash. 3 minutes to pull apart. Circuit board, LCD screen. Got one decent chip in there. Cast aluminium. And that'll go in there.